Hey guys, we're in room 2015. Club section. You get in with your wristband, get you in. We are club level. Alright. You got your normal stuff, closet, place to hang your stuff, both sides. Little cabinet over here for when they deliver food. You can get it in here and put your dirties in there if you want. Sinks, double. Same with mirrors, soaker tub, toilet on that side, shower on that side. This is a junior suite. We just got our bottle delivered. This comes with the room. So fortunately they actually have Coke here, because what sense is there to make a rum and Pepsi? That's stupid. Anyway, we have a ceiling fan, which my wife fully appreciates. This is looking from the patio section. Beautiful, beautiful room. Very nice room. We have a junior suite swim up. Let's go out here for a second. Seating area for out here. A little jacuzzi for in case you want to hang out here, get intimate, whatever you dirty little minds want to think of. Hey, life-saving. We see the ocean right over there. Not a bad room. Then we have a bar pretty close right there. This is the adults only section. Nice little area for us to lay and catch some rays and put our feet in the water, or just go swimming straight in there. Nice, nice, nice. We can use the bolly beds over there, or we can reserve one on the ocean. They'll set us up. We'll go out there and they'll have a server for us, bring whatever we need. So far we're digging it. Food was pretty good. When we first got here, we went to the Italian and had some pasta with shrimp and fettuccine sauce, Alfredo sauce. It was very good. I had fettuccine Alfredo with shrimp, and she had gnocchi with Alfredo sauce and shrimp. But yeah, this is all the adult side right here. That's building number 3. We're right now in building number 2. Building number 1 is behind us. Building number 1 only has the plunge pools. We specifically wanted the swim up. It's more open, interactive. You can see people, etc.